everyone. This is Alekia. Principles of Wi-Fi technology. The heart of this technology is LED. It is visible light communication with high-speed data transfer. Since this LED can switch on and off with high speed, these LED transfers data with light with high speed, and it allows fast communication channels. If we use Wi-Fi uses radio frequency signals for transmission of data. But we use if we use Wi-Fi, it uses light to transfer data. The benefit of using Wi-Fi is the Wi-Fi will not sustain some places. The radio waves will not enter into some places. In that we can use this Wi-Fi. These Wi-Fi will on when this LED is on, it transmits a digital signal 1, and if it goes, it transmits digital signal 0. Visible light communication. This VLC uses light to send the information instead of radio waves. It is faster and secure secure. It is very secure because it sends data through light. It is so secure because it will not penetrate into walls, so that hacking will not. Hacking is very hard to hack. This is best example of VLC. We use LED bulbs to connect these.
Advantages of Wi-Fi technology: efficiency, high security, enhanced security due to light transmission and minimal risk of the signal interception. Scalability, scalability with the ability to handle many devices simultaneously. Fast data transfer. Compared to Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi is transfer high speed, low interference, low electromagnetic interference, ideal for sensitive environment like hospitals, airports, military, like that. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all. This is Rakshita. Disadvantages of our project is light cannot penetrate through walls, solid objects to transmit the data, where Wi-Fi can penetrate walls to transmit the data. The installation cost is high compared to the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi has shorter range to transmit the data. Performance can be affected by the light conditions such as quality of light. In some dark areas, the signal strength of Wi-Fi will decrease, affect the quality of data transmission. Light cannot pass through the objects, solid objects.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Maheshri, and I am very glad to conclude that this Wi-Fi technology is implemented practically with the usage of large scale of hardware components. I am very glad to conclude that this Wi-Fi technology provides health care, because using Wi-Fi is somewhat dangerous. Like radio waves can affect the heart and brain. By using of this Wi-Fi technology, the health concerns are reduced. Next, coming to the point is high speed for usage. Compared to Wi-Fi possesses high speed to communicate the data, and the practical implementation of Li-Fi technology includes hardware and software both components. With the usage of this Li-Fi technology, the cleanness and greenery, safer, brighter future is established between the people. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
What are the areas which you can use this Li-Fi? Underwater. Submarines.
Madam, all Wi-Fi places can be implemented by this Wi-Fi.
But not that light cannot be penetrated through the walls or another.
That
So
is the one of the-
all the
That is one of the drawbacks.
that's the reason all the areas where we use Wi-Fi cannot be used by Li-Fi kada. So you can specify ఏమంటుంది hospitals okay.
Airplanes,
Within the aeroplane.
internal aeroplanes. Due to using this Wi-Fi in internal aeroplanes, there is no disturbance of bandwidth of Wi-Fi, madam. That light is secured.
Submarines లో ఎట్లా how it is possible?
Madam, if we implemented this Wi-Fi technology, every light will act as a hotspot. Hotspot which is similar in
Not
Wi-Fi.
every light, only LED lights.
Only LED.
So is there any guarantee all are using all the places are used by only LED lights?
We can use by sensors also.
Sensors.
There is a special component that is Node MCU, and we have used it.
మీరు అసలు ఏం చేస్తారు ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్ ఏం చేశారు చేశారా హార్డ్వేర్ ఇప్పుడు ఇట్టిందా
Yes, ma'am.
ఇంప్లిమెంట్ అయిందా
Yes.
సో దీని టేబుల్ క్రియేషన్ ఫ్రంట్ అండ్ బ్యాక్ అండ్ ఏమీ లేదు ఏమేమి కాంపోనెంట్స్ యూస్ చేసేది
Node MCU.
డేటా డీటెయిల్స్ తీసుకురండి మిగతా ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ కూడా ఆన్